Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'm back with a new video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can send a DM on Instagram from your PC. But before we start the video guys, please take a moment and make sure to subscribe this channel and also follow me on Instagram. I'll have the link somewhere in description below. Okay, now let's jump to the video. So first of all, you need to open your internet browser, and then in the search bar type instagram.com and go to Instagram. Right click anywhere on the screen and then click on this inspect option. Now you can see that Instagram is opened in desktop mode, so we will have to switch it to Android mode, and you can do it by clicking here. So click here. Now refresh the page, and as you can see that Instagram has been switched to Android mode. And now you can also cancel this. Okay, now in order to send a DM, you need to click here and then click on create text. Now select the user you want to send the text and then click next. Now type the text and then click on send, and that's it. So that's it for this video guys, and if you guys like the video then please make sure to subscribe the channel and smash that like button. I'll keep a like aim of 20 likes on this video, so help me achieve the target too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.